Do you want to know what's happening in kitchen design for 2023? Hi, I'm your host, JT Norman with The More You Know. We're excited at Kitchen Magic and we want to share with you some awesome, innovative ideas for kitchen design coming 2023. In the coming weeks, as you follow us, you'll be able to get a better understanding of what's going to be happening in 2023. I can promise you, the things we're going to tell you and show you, you're going to love. So let me start the forecast. Environment-inspired spaces. This is a really exciting subject for me to be talking about in kitchen design because we're bringing the outdoors in. Behind closed doors. Well, we're referring to new ways to hide those large appliances that are normally on your countertop, and also creative ways to organize your pantries. Up front and forward. Well, up front and forward, referring to backsplashes. Backsplashes are going to take center stage again. Less is more. We'll talk about how you can keep your kitchen clean, lined, and simple, and also stress-free. Embracing the bold. What does that mean? Introducing some beautiful hardware in many different finishes, sinks, and also faucets. Keep calm and carry on. We'll be talking about all the new colors we'll be introducing. A lot of them are very earth tones, calming, and I know you're gonna love them. The new farmhouse. Is the farmhouse look going out? Well, we'll talk a little bit more about that, but I can promise you that the cottage kitchen is coming back strong. We're gonna be talking about the living room, or should we say the kitchen is the new living room. You're gonna start seeing these spaces getting larger, not only for gathering with families, cooking, but simply enjoying life. Biophilic design, one of my favorites to talk about. Biophilic design is not a style, but it is a way of living. So there you have it. These are the trends we're going to be talking about for 2023. So remember, the more you know, the easier your kitchen renovation will be. I'm JT Norman, your host for The More You Know. Till next time.